We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hi guys, Saturday evening and I'm cooking. Fun fact, I don't like cooking, but when I do cook, it turns out alright. It was popping, it was going everywhere under my thighs and everything. Say hi, my dog. Huh?
Hey guys, welcome back to my little hair.
What are you doing? Ow! You see the things that you just bye, go away, bye. Okay, so I've put the meat, the chicken in here, and then now I'm gonna make a little bit of a gravy. I also have more of what to make. What is it? I'm not sure what. I think this is spinach. If I look at it, it looks like it's spinach. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah. So I have my onion, my chopped onion and green pepper. I'm gonna just use the same pot. I really wish I was one of those people that really did enjoy, cooking and all that, and because for me it's just a task. I don't like it at all, honestly. But I have to do this because I'm gonna have to feed my family at some point. So I'm low-key praying for a husband who enjoys cooking. Mama. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Look what I got. Thank you. It's mine. Ja ako mulal. We barely sure I'm gonna just answer it. Oh, inside didn't say anything. Oh, so this I'm gonna put in some plain garlic. So there's no salt, so what we're doing is, well, my dad is crushing coarse salt. Because now the problem is, oh gosh, the problem with me is that sometimes I put too much salt. So I told him, you know what, crush it, do the things that must be done, and do the quantity properly for me, so that just a bit of garlic because okay. Please don't ask why he's wearing glasses. There's a logical reason. So just leave him alone. He's not just being dramatic. I know we're dramatic and everything and all that stuff. I'm not doing it. Y'all better not. Happy. No, happy is drinking. Happy Ghana. The artist, the musician, the celebrity. Tell them I'm going to do that. What is that? Tell them I'm going to do that. No. Tell them I'm going to do that. I can't do that. I'm going to do that. So, I'm going to do that. I'm judging. I'm just fighting. I'm out here just in fighting mode. I'm putting some paprika, and then some mixed herbs. Now, here's another thing about me when don't mind the sounds. My dad is preparing not focusing. I just put a whole lot of. I just like threw the mixed herbs into it. I wasn't even focused. I wasn't paying attention. But anyway, like I said, when I cook, I don't really look at quantity. I don't like measure rather. I measure here like a man. One judge, can I go to the for height and no judgment zone. What was I putting there? Shisanyama seasoning. So I just put anything really. Like I don't really look at. I just pick anything and I just kind of make it work. I'm also gonna put this in there. It is a Chinese. It's an Oriental seasoning mix. Chinese chopped sweet. I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, that's another thing that I'm just gonna throw in there. Don't worry, guys. There is a method to the madness. I promise you, it will turn out just fine. Kind of like when you're doing your brows, you go through this process where where your brows look a little bit weird and off, and then you have to like do the concealer and everything and shape them and make them look okay and clean them up and stuff. So that's what's happening here. I feel like I'm done with these things. But I didn't take it. Oh, there's that. Make it right up on it. Let's see that again. But I'm taking this guys. Didn't take it. I'm gonna chop up my tomato. 2 tomatoes. It's about to do a moroho. I'm gonna have to go through the process here in the other package. And there's 5. You know what? This we can have it. I don't want to stress myself with eating. I like making something simple, straightforward, because I like my food simple generally. Yes, I like nice food, but I like simple food. I don't like messy food. Messy in terms of I don't like I don't like to struggle when I have to eat. So even with like one of the reasons why I would like order something like a burger or something like that at a restaurant, just because it's just too messy. It's too messy, and considering I just don't want. Sometimes I just don't want to. I don't want to have to be thinking about, oh my gosh, I'm gonna make a mess. My food is gonna fall apart. I need you know, like. I don't want that. So generally, I like plain, simple food. No stress. I just want to enjoy my food. That's that on that. So if you guys are like into cooking, like what's your favorite food to make? How do you prefer your meals? Do you like to... Oh, and another thing is when I cook, I like to keep my pots very minimal. Like you saw, I was like I'm the type to just use the same pot or the same pan for a lot of things. Maybe like the starch egg pan, I could use a different one, and then for the relish and the chicken and such, most of the time I use the same. I use one pot. I just transfer the stuff out into a new. So now I'm adding the tomato. Okay. Now I want to add this bad boy. And this is what I've been using to like cover up. That's my wheelchair. Nothing not to cover up, to hold you guys up. Cooking with moms. Hey. My funny girl. Okay, now we are ready to put our chicken back in the pot. Just need to bring it a little closer so that it can reach. The meat is
My sister.
back in the pot. You need to make the morocco.
I'm big.
You need to make the morocco.
Oui.
Please don't judge me too much, because this is the real me, né? So this is, you guys are
You can
getting.
never see me sleeping. You can never catch me sleeping. Never.
You guys are seeing the very raw and unfiltered me. So take me as I am.
Hashtag Mumsie. Hashtag Herbalife Coach. Hashtag Coach. Hashtag Coach Mumsie. Hashtag Herbalife Nutrition. Hashtag Nutrition Applies. Hashtag self-care. Hashtag God. Hashtag Father God. Hashtag my father saying. Hashtag God's favorite.
And done.
No. Hashtag God's daughter. Hashtag chosen one. Hashtag IG influencer. Hashtag influence. Hashtag live, laugh, love. Hashtag self-care. Hashtag depression.
No way, we're not hashtag depression. No.
Hashtag anti-depression. Hashtag
Goodbye.
hashtag-
Goodbye. Let me save you guys from this. We need to make a morocco. Let's figure this out. Okay, so now we're starting the process of making our spinach. This is spinach, right? Yes, our spinach. Fun fact, this is my first time making spinach. So yes, my niece is teaching me how to make Yeah, those are her weird hands. How to make. Well, she's teaching me and helping me now. Because I'm actually. No, you're teaching me and you're helping me at the same time because I'm tired. My leg is also starting to act up. So, another thing, I've been on leave for a couple of days. I actually didn't go to work. How long have I been away from work?
The whole week.
Yeah, I went to work. Yeah, I went to work on Monday.
Oh, you had a half day.
I went to work on Monday. It wasn't a half day. I went to work.
Oh yeah, but you went to work like at 8.
Oh yeah, because I wasn't.
Yeah.
So yeah, then I went to the office, came back. So I got injured. What am I saying? I'm so distracted.
English.
I'm so distracted because I didn't see you watching that. I thought you were just like playing around with it and like thought I was so confused. Anyway, what was this? Tomorrow I'm going to church.
Oh, so I'll be alone in the house. You guys are leaving me with no form of communication, nothing, entertainment, nada.
Ooh, that breeze. Yes, Lord, we receive the breeze.
Well, I receive as in tonight.
I don't know your grandmother now. This is true. You edit. You can't just leave the frame and not tell me.
Oh, sorry.
The frame.
If I put it, okay, guys, I'm gonna have a karaoke.
Oh no, chap. What karaoke?
If I put you on a goat, put you in some water, now you're gonna float. Your breath smell like a cow. Boom, bow. Let's have a chat. I don't.
The tomato is in the pot.
We put the.
Okay, fine. Okay. Where did we put it?
We put in the tomato first, so that, you know this white part of the tomato. Yeah, so that it can cook and can come down, and can like the tomato juices can infuse into the morogo as well. Okay. Also, after the white part of the tomato, comment down below what that white part of the tomato is. But yeah, after the white part cooks and the skin is just like, it adds this red color, this nice red color into the morogo. It also helps in forming like
Does what?
It also helps in like forming this like soup liquid, soup-ish, like that moisture is still inside. Like, subscribe here.
I'm not gonna put none of those things because I don't have time, guys. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll learn how to do that stuff.
Here,
but
and wait, right onto the face. Here. Yeah. Subscribe.
That is me, by the way. For those who don't.
Oh my
know.
gosh! I mean, Mumsie.
No, it's fine. That's my other. Like, it's fine. It's just fun facts. That's my other name.
Thank you for following.
Why are you saying?
Thank you. I'm British, yeah.
That's another episode. I'm ending the vlog here.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment all red flags. Like, red flags.
No.
Yeah, red flags.
No.
Look at my eyes.
Don't do that.
Red flags.
No.
Red flags.